used for a more natural look, while a soft pink or coral lipstick can be used for a more polished effect. In addition to makeup application, it's also important to consider other aspects of personal grooming, such as hair and nails. Soft and feminine hairstyles, such as loose curls or braids, can complement the overall makeup look and add to the overall feminine appearance. Similarly, keeping nails clean and well manicured can help to complete the overall look. In conclusion, achieving a soft and feminine makeup look is all about enhancing one's natural beauty and creating a delicate and effortless appearance. By using the right products and techniques, it's possible to create a look that reflects one's personal style and boosts their confidence. When it comes to achieving a soft and feminine makeup look, it's important to pay attention to the texture and finish of the products used. Cream-based products, such as cream blush and highlighter, can provide a more natural and dewy finish, while powders can create a more matte and polished look. Mixing the two can provide a subtle balance between the two finishes. Another important aspect of achieving a soft and feminine makeup look is to pay attention to the application techniques. Blending is key to achieving a natural and seamless finish. Using a soft bristled brush or a damp makeup sponge can help to blend the product seamlessly into the skin. When it comes to eyebrows, a soft and natural look can help to enhance the overall feminine appearance. Filling in any sparse areas with a soft brow pencil or powder can help to define the shape of the brows without making them look too harsh or heavy. For those who prefer a more natural and minimalistic look, a simple makeup routine can be just as effective. A tinted moisturizer, mascara, and a natural lip balm can be all that's needed to achieve a soft and feminine appearance. However, for those who prefer a more polished and put-together look, experimenting with different makeup techniques and products can be a fun and creative process. Trying out different shades, textures, and finishes can help to find the perfect combination that complements one's individual features and style. In conclusion, achieving a soft and feminine makeup look is all about finding the right balance between enhancing one's natural beauty and creating a delicate and effortless appearance. By paying attention to the products used, the application techniques, and personal grooming, it's possible to create a look that reflects one's personal style and boosts their confidence. In addition to the makeup products and application techniques used, lighting can also play a significant role in achieving a soft and feminine makeup look. Soft and diffused light can help to create a more flattering and natural appearance, while harsh and direct light can highlight any imperfections or unevenness in the makeup. When it comes to creating a soft and feminine makeup look, it's also important to take into consideration the occasion and setting. For a daytime look, a more natural and subtle makeup look can be appropriate, while for a special occasion or evening event, a slightly more dramatic makeup look can be appropriate. Another important aspect of achieving a soft and feminine appearance is to take care of the skin from the inside out. Drinking plenty of water, eating a balanced and nutritious diet, and getting enough sleep can all contribute to healthy and glowing skin. Additionally, using skincare products that are tailored to one's skin type and concerns can help to maintain a healthy and radiant complexion. When it comes to makeup products, investing in high-quality products can make a significant difference in achieving a soft and feminine look.